Kraken CEO Jesse Powell has taken to Twitter multiple times in recent weeks to push back against requests from the Ukrainian government and public pressure from the likes of Hillary Clinton to block Russian users. His crypto exchange, like competitors such as Coinbase and Binance, continues to operate in the country while firms like Apple, Visa, MasterCard, PayPal, McDonald's, and others are leaving. It is all part of his effort to thread the needle between operating in a highly regulated industry without compromising on the ethos of crypto. Kraken's latest attempt at striking this balance is a $10 million package for Ukraine, which the company is calling its first major international distribution, which is largely tied to keeping its Russian market open. The program will begin by providing $1,000 worth of Bitcoin on March 10 to all Ukrainian clients that created an account prior to March 9 that have an intermediate or pro account. The Bitcoin will be free to withdraw or convert to another asset, and the company will cover any associated fees. Subsequent tranches will be distributed throughout the year as well as other unannounced efforts. However, the controversial part of this plan deals with how these dividends are financed. While Kraken has the funds to pay for this aid program outright, it was recently valued at $20 billion and is rumored to be planning an IPO this year. The aid will be at least partly driven by the trading volume of Kraken's Russian clients. As part of the effort, Kraken will also donate an amount equivalent to the total trading fees paid by Russia-based clients in the first half of 2022 to the aid package. Skeptics could argue that by tying the amount, or speed of aid, to Russian trading activity, he is limiting the impact of the probe. How much the company may still need to provide from its own balance sheet is also to be determined. The company does not disclose a user breakdown by country, and would not share numbers on the number of users it has in Russia or Ukraine. If at the end of June 2022 Russian traders only generated $1 million worth of trading fees, Kraken could find itself needing to make up the shortfall. The only difference is that some of this aid would likely come weeks or months later. It is also unclear what would happen if U.S. regulators force Kraken to blacklist Russia before the end of June. It is worth noting that Powell, first major crypto CEO to publicly respond to a plea from Ukrainian Minister of Digital Transformation Mikhailo Fedorov to ban Russian traders, saying in a thread on Twitter on February 27 that while he has deep respect for the Ukrainian people, it was contrary to the